Hey, what's happening everybody? Zach here. Welcome back to the channel. So a couple things here on Ethereum. So for those of you who don't know, Ethereum is my favorite asset currently in all of crypto. I absolutely am a huge Ethereum bull. I think Ethereum could be the greatest trade of the next decade. The greatest trade of the next decade. That's how I feel about Ethereum. So I've been acquiring Ethereum since it was $1,100. Wish I would have got in sooner, but some interesting things in this video that I want to address. One being the price action, where I think we're heading. We're going to take a look at the chart. We're also going to take a look at a very interesting article that talks about how much ETH has been burned due to EIP 1559 that happened back in August, and what that means for our long-term outlook. And I'm also going to give you a snapshot of what I see in quarter number one for Ethereum. So right now, let's start with the price action. We are up about 5.5% right now. We're seeing a nice little resurgence right now from Ethereum and Bitcoin here on Sunday night in the US on the East Coast. So this is the yearly chart that we're looking at right here on screen. This looks amazing, right? Obviously going back, into July, this was a great time to accumulate. A lot of my Patreon members and I did down here at 1,700, even 1,800, even anywhere below 2,000. This was a great opportunity. And it might be the last opportunity we have, especially here in the midterm, the next 4 to 6 months. Now, with the current price where it is right now, we retested today this $4,000 mark, okay? We got really close to it here at on the 25th. We got really close to it, going below it. I think we actually did dip below it momentarily a couple times here in November, back on the 17th and the 25th. But you've seen here, we've bounced off it pretty radically as well, right? So that's good. We got as high as the 4.8 level. Let's see the all-time high. That too happened in November. So it's been a wild November. It's been a wonky November, to say the least. Our all-time high right now is 4,891, okay, and it's in the last 30 days, 4,891. So we're not yet clear of 4,900. Where are we going? Well, I think we can get all the way up to 6,000 based on some models that I've looked at, some content creators that I've looked at that do a much better job at technical analysis than I do, but I can still report back. Some people I really trust like this $6,000 price target here in the short term, probably into quarter number one, into January. So where could we be heading in this bull run? I still think 10,000 is a really good mark later on into 2022, okay? Much like I think Bitcoin can get to 100K, I do think Ethereum could see 10K. Now, some people will say, well, Zach, that's only a little bit more than double X from where we are right now. But this is a much different asset than, say, a speculative play, right? Look at the growth we've seen, steady growth over the last year. This is what you could expect with Ethereum in a bull market. And we'll have times where it goes parabolic, like it did back in May, right? Where we came from 2,200 all the way up to 4,100. So we gained, literally doubled in price in the amount of like 2 to 3 weeks. So that will happen too. Now, let me bounce over to this article. Ethereum Weekly Roundup, greatest discount in ETH in months as network reaches its milestone of 1 million coins burned. So I highlighted the part of this article. Really good article, by the way. Just got done reading it before I hopped on here. But this is the part I want to focus on. So first million of ethers burned and other news. So a few days ago, the Ethereum network reached a milestone of 1 million coins removed from circulation for good, which is admittedly an impressive result in itself. Since EIP 1559 got implemented on the 5th of August, ETH's inflation has been decreased by 67.5%, and in the recent 30 days by nearly 93%. The total value of all ethers that have been burned so far is at the current prices it closed to whopping 6.3 billion. That will without a doubt serve as a long-term catalyst for the value of the asset. This is a huge reason why I am a long-term holder of ETH. I don't plan on selling it anytime soon, maybe never. That's how I feel about Ethereum. Of course, there will be profit taking along the way. If you want to learn more about our strategies when it comes time to take profits, you want to learn more about other assets that we cover, that we vet, that we look at, come on over and join us at the Patreon. This link is down below in the description. Great time to join at the first of the month in December. If you want to join now, best thing you could do, save 15% off annually, and you can just sign up with us for the long term. You can get in for as early as cheap as $10 per month or $100 per year. $20 per month with the insider package is going to get you buy and sell trade alerts, or $200 for the year. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let me know your thoughts about Ethereum. Also, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe. Appreciate you. See you in the next one.